Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily view your Twitter analytics. So for doing this you just need to go to Play Store if you have Android and to go to App Store if you have iOS and just write here Twitter analytics. So here you can see follower checker for Twitter. So let's read about it. So just here we see about this app. So it is an application that is intended to make it easy to understand with simple operation. There is no such thing as a sudden full page ad. How about using it for a little Twitter follower management? So here you can see different features. Finding users that you don't follow back, unfollow users that you don't follow you, finding out the number of users that you don't follow back, and all you can see here support for multiple. You can also use multiple accounts. It's very useful, you know. So just try to install it, and I hope that this follower checker will also be useful for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.